Hello, dear students. Welcome to English Chat Channel. My name is Sarah. If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Today, I will share my daily routine with you. You will hear simple English sentences that you can use every day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound. If you listen carefully and repeat after me, you will remember the words and use them in your own life. Let's begin. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 in the morning. Tren, tren, tren. I wake up slowly. I'm very tired. I turn off the alarm and sit on my bed for 5 minutes. I take a deep breath. Then I get up. I walk to the window and open it. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining. Birds are singing. It feels peaceful. Now I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I always use mint toothpaste. It makes my mouth feel fresh. After that, I take a quick shower. The hot water feels good on my skin. I wash my hair with shampoo. I use soap for my body. My shower takes about 10 minutes. I dry myself with a soft towel and dry my hair with dryer. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of warm coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel fresh and ready for the day. I like to sit near the window while I drink my coffee. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet moment. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. Most mornings, I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. If my family is awake, we usually eat breakfast together. This is one of the nicest parts of my morning because it gives us time to talk before everyone starts their day. We sit around the table, enjoy our food, and have simple conversations about what we are planning to do during the day. Sometimes we talk about school, work, or any tasks we need to finish. Each person shares their plans, and we often encourage each other or give advice if someone has something important to do. For example, if someone has an exam, a meeting, or a busy schedule, the rest of the family wishes them good luck. These moments are very important because they help us stay close as a family. Even though everyone may have a busy day ahead, spending a few minutes together in the morning makes the day start in a positive and comfortable way. For me, having breakfast and talking with my family is an important part of my daily routine. I really enjoy these small moments with them. After breakfast, I open my laptop. I checked my emails. Then I prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes I record videos for our channel. Sometimes I write notes and new ideas for future episodes. Let's practice. I eat breakfast. I check my emails. I prepare lessons. In the afternoon, I usually take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me feel relaxed. I sometimes buy groceries, vegetables, bread, or milk. When I come back, I cook lunch. I like simple meals such as salad, rice, chicken, or soup. While eating, I often listen to classic music. Or read a book in English. It's a good way to practice and enjoy the language. After that, I get ready and go to the gym. I spend about 1 hour exercising. I do different workouts like running, lifting weights, and stretching. Going to the gym makes me feel active and healthy. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together. We talk and share stories from the day. Sometimes we watch a movie with my family. We usually sit together in the living room. My father chooses the movie, and my mother prepares some snacks like popcorn and juice. My little brother always asks for chocolate. We turn off the lights and enjoy the movie. Sometimes we laugh a lot at funny scenes, and sometimes we feel excited during action scenes. After the movie, and sometimes we just sit and chat. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and prepare things for tomorrow. Then I take a little time for myself. I read, study, or sometimes just relax with a cup of tea. At 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and write down my plan for the next day. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Repeat after me. I eat dinner with my family. Pause. I drink tea in the evening. Pause. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. This was my daily routine. I hope you learned useful expressions today. Try to use these sentences in your own life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to the English Chat channel. We will make more slow and clear episodes so you can practice every day. So, my friends, what did we learn today? We learned how to talk about all of our daily routines: waking up, getting ready, taking shower, eating meals, buy groceries, going to gym, and going to bed. These are all useful phrases you can use every day. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments below. Just type, "I want to learn about" next. For example, "I want to learn about morning routines" next, or "I want to learn about shopping in English" next. I read every comment, and if many of you ask for the same topic, I'll make a video about it. If you liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to English Chat channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for spending time with me today. Keep learning, keep trying, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Good night and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.